I'm going to say this again. You cannot be a Trump supporter and be a plaintiff's lawyer. You cannot have voted for Donald Trump and be a plaintiff's lawyer. That man first goes against everything that we are taught as attorneys to be the protectors of the Constitution. There is not a way how on January 6th that he didn't abandon or abdicate his rule over this country. But too many Phoenix car accident lawyers, Arizona car accident lawyers, plaintiffs' lawyers across this country pulled the lever, filled in the dot for Donald Trump. They did it not for injured people. They did not do it for people who need justice. They did not do it to make the world a better place so that everyone can have clean air and clean water, that people can have access to medical care. No, they did it to line their pockets. They voted for Donald Trump because they wanted to see more ICE raids. They voted for Donald Trump because they wanted to see the boot of oppression put on the necks of trans people, of gay people, of Black people, of Asian people, of Latino people, of poor people. The idea that you purport to be out here standing shoulder to shoulder with that injured construction worker, when in real life you detest that person. When in real life you rather hang out with the owner, the CEO of the trucking company, who has made millions by underpaying their truck driver, by not properly investing in training their truck drivers. Those are the people that they rather hobnob with, associate with, than the person who is just doing their job, trying to get to work, and because of the pressures put on that truck driver, they decide to not get enough sleep so that they can get their load there on time, and they cause a catastrophic accident. You cannot be an effective plaintiff lawyer and support Donald Trump. You cannot be an effective plaintiff lawyer if you're a Republican. This is gonna get people mad. I don't care. I dedicated my life in 2017 and 2018 and in 2019 and 2020 to get rid of this man. And now I've returned to practicing personal injury law to take money away from plaintiffs' attorneys who see Black and brown people as units to be monetized, not as people. I have taken over so many cases from Trump supporting Republicans of Black people who's had excellent claims, excellent cases, that I was able to get policy limits in within a couple of days. And now I'm starting to believe that they just don't care about us. And that's the reason they're MAGA. If you feel that your case is not getting a proper attention, ask your lawyer who they voted for. If they hem and haw, fire them and find somebody who's bold enough to tell you the truth. My name is Garrick McFadden. I voted for Kamala Harris. I've never voted for Donald Trump. And at my law firm, it is your injuries, our fight, your win.